Welcome to Swain Middle School.
This is an exclusive entrance for 6th graders only until 7:55 a.m.
After 7:55, you will enter in the doors next to the office so you can get a tardy slip. This is the office. This is Miss Kathy's desk and where Mr. Kerr and Miss Sutton's office is. This is the plexiglass. It keeps us from spreading germs back and forth when talking to Miss Kathy. You must wear your mask at all times in the office. This is the nurse's office. You have to have permission from your teacher to go here. She cannot give you over-the-counter prescriptions. She can also send you to the clinic if needed.
This is Mr. Kerr's office, our principal, and this is Miss Sutton's office, our vice principal. This is Miss Aldridge's office, our guidance counselor for the school. You must have permission to see Miss Aldridge, and she also will be hosting small group sessions. This is our on-campus health clinic, Blue Ridge Health. You must have permission on file to be seen. Nurse will send students if needed, and parents can make appointments for students. Mr. Hampton is our SRO, School Resource Officer. He is really enthusiastic, he has a cool dog on his desk, and he keeps us safe. He also helps with the shooting team.
Hello and welcome to the 6th grade hall. The first classroom that we'll be showing is Mr. DeHart's classroom. He is the new math teacher and has replaced Miss Payne. He is a wrestling coach and has a wrestling clinic.
Our next room that we will be showing you is Miss Butler's room. Miss Butler is the one and only science teacher for the 6th grade. She has a pet mud puppy whose name is Skipper. She does the robotics elective and after-school robotics.
The next classroom down the hall is Mr. McMahon's room. Mr. Mac is his nickname and that is what most people call him. He is the other math teacher for the 6th grade. He also coaches some high school sports. The next portion of the 6th grade hall is the standing workstation. This is where distance group work could be, or it could be used as a possible reward. These workstations replace the lockers.
The next room we have is Miss Boots. She is one of our ELA teachers, and she will also work with after school whenever it returns because of coronavirus.
The room after Miss Booth's is Miss Lucas's. She is the social studies teacher for 6th grade. You will only have her for one semester. She is also the coach for cross country.
Our next teacher is Miss McClung. She is our EC teacher as well as the track coach. She is also Miss Lucas's sister. Next, we will be going to show you the electives of the Swain County Middle School. Down that way is Mr. Schuler's keyboarding room. He will teach half of the 6th grade how to type.
Then up this way is our music and band room, led by our awesome teacher, Mr. Sell.
Up this way is the library, aka Media Center.
this hall is two important rooms. On this side of the hall is Miss Kohlmeyer's art class. And on the other side of the hall is Mr. Cook's room for computers. You can go to him if there's anything wrong with your Chromebook.
This way is Mr. Hyatt's room. He's the other keyboarding teacher.
Here's our gym where all PE electives are. You'll have Coach Kayla McMahon, Coach BJ Ledford, and Coach Jeff Marr.
Coach Marr is also the Dean of Students and the Athletic Director at the middle school.
At Swain Middle School, morning drop-off is no earlier than 7:20 a.m.
All students must wear a mask. All students must answer the safety questions.
All students must have their temperature taken. Students will then be able to grab breakfast and go straight to their homeroom.
For classroom safety, students will sit in assigned seats that are at least 6 feet apart.
Students will wear masks, but get to have mask breaks.
Teachers will sanitize all desks and work surfaces between each class and at the end of the day. Gel hand sanitizer will be in each classroom for student use.
Students will get bathroom breaks, but have to wash your hands thoroughly.
Masks must be worn in the hallways. Stay 6 feet apart at all times and keep your hands to yourself. No horseplay, please. Release times will be staggered to limit the number of students in the hallway at any given time.